getting unable to preview video when trying to upload YouTube Shorts. Let's see how to fix it.
So the fix is pretty simple. You want to go to DaVinci Resolve for editing, then you want to go to deliver options, bam, and the option that you want to look for is file and render without timecode. So pretty much seems like that the timecode is messing up, interfering with YouTube's algorithm or something when trying to upload, so this surely will fix it. Pretty much whichever preset you're using, disable timecode. That's the key point. If that doesn't work, also what you can do is you've got the default editing app on your phone. Then what you want to do is just increase the brightness by 1, just so like I guess the timecode gets erased, or if the first method doesn't work, try the second one. And yeah, this was it from this short and easy tutorial. If you want more tech tutorials, subscribe, leave a like, and also you can suggest a topic that I shall do next, and I'll see you in next one. Bye!